Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I'm going to talk about the Libman microfiber mop that I picked up. You can use this as a regular mop, or you can have the microfiber head on it for different purposes. Redid the drywall in this bedroom, and of course after you sand it, it's really dusty. So the best way, in my opinion, to get all the dust off is using one of these mops. So my other mop was all beat up and it wasn't working really well. And so I went to Home Depot and I picked up this Libman one. Libman. I'm gonna say Libman. I might be totally wrong with that, but that's what I think it is. So the mop itself, it comes with a handle. It's not like a super long handle, like the same length as a broom. It has this feature here where it holds on to both ends and then it kind of surrounds the edges. So when you're working on like your walls like this, if the edges touch the wall, sometimes it'll leave a mark, like a scratch or like a small divot. So you don't want that. So I picked these up and I'm really happy with this because it doesn't do that. So it has this little spot here. You press that and then you can take the end of the mop out. And to put the mop in, you just slip it over the ends and then snap that back into place and you're golden. So we are going to mask up and I'll do that, and I can't talk while I'm wearing a mask, obviously. What was that, like 10 minutes total? So this is the dirty one. This is the wet dry mop. It's a little bit thinner. It is softer microfiber type material, much nicer, like a finer nap, I guess. So let's take this off, and you can wash these, but I'm going to blow it out. Right, I'm out in the garage with the big door open. I'm just showing you this. There's a lot of dust on it. Like, look at that. So, the Libman, I think this is a great product. So this is the fastest I've ever knocked the dust off the drywall. I've done quite a few home renovations in a couple of different houses, but this is the fastest I've been through with this Libman microfiber. So I recommend this highly. That's way better than anything I've used before. I've tried towels, I've tried different things, just wiping it down. I've tried different mops. The Rubbermaid mop was good, and my wife was doing a cleaning business at one time, so she had these Rubbermaid ones, and they were good. And they also had one that had a microfiber edge on it, but not nearly as good as this. Just the way that it holds it. The handle, the swivel handle, is very similar, but just the way that it holds on to the mop head is much better. So, yep, 2 thumbs up. If I had more thumbs, I'd give it more thumbs up. Anyway, thanks for watching. Cheers.